Hi there, my name is Ashley. I want to introduce you to Bodum Bistro electric water kettle. These kettles are great because they're a quick and efficient way to heat up water, and you can take them anywhere. And they're BPA free. Aside from using these at home, you can also use them to brew coffee in your office or in your dorm room for a cup of soup. Besides looking cool, they have an easy to read water level indicator on the side and a nice safety feature where it will automatically shut off once it reaches boiling point. Another great feature is these kettles are cordless, so they can actually be removed from the base and served tableside. I'm going to leave you with a little tip. In order to be energy efficient, only boil the amount of water in which you actually need.